So welcome to new video, new day, sunny day, beautiful day. Today is Sunday, I think 12th of July, and as I said, new day, new ride. It's early in the morning, like 8:30, and it's already like, I don't know, 22, 23 degrees outside. It will be really hot today, but our destination, it's up in the mountain and it should be better with temperature as it is now. We have around 200 kilometers to the destinations today, so stay in the video and enjoy it together with me in this today's ride. So there is no lot of traffic today. As I said, it's Sunday, it's still in the morning, people are at home relaxing, chilling, sleeping, you know, just we are fools are on the way. But I have to say, guys, the riding this motor Kawasaki, it's really a joy. It's really nice bike and really comfortable. I cannot say any bad things against this bike. I'm really enjoying driving. So I'm already around 1 hour on the road and we are heading towards Austria Alps, of course. Where else? I think I have 2.5 hours more to the destination where I want to ride today. It will be really hot midday. They said around 36, 37 degrees. So I really hope up in the Alps will be much cooler than it is here. I want to make a short break now somewhere. To drink something and then we will continue. I have to find a place in the shadow somewhere covered with trees, otherwise I will melt down slowly but surely. I'm not sure how much you can see on camera, but this view is amazing. This is beautiful Konstanz Lake and we are now in Austria, coming into the town called Bregenz. So I've just made a short break here in Austrian Bregenz and I will continue my ride. Here I have to be really careful because lots of traffic is on the road. I have poured some gas in motorcycle to be ready for Alps, because I don't know where in the Alps I have a gas station, fuel station, so it's full now and I don't have to think about it. for the rest of my tour. I hope so. So sometimes after this town I should start to climb over in a mountains area. So this is the place called Egg. Really nice name. Look at this, guys. I have a really nice car in front of me. So life should be no stress. Enjoying your life. Why hurry? Or it's a man and a wife in the car. Okay, maybe, I don't know, mistress it could be. Who cares? So life should be easy. Enjoy. Beautiful area. Here's a beautiful river, mountains, see, and we are in directions to mountain pass. Some nice cars. It's almost noon, midday, and traffic is noticeably higher than this morning. People are awake, lots of motorcycles on the road. Lots of tunnels. The only word I can see right now is wow. Guys, I don't know how to say this, but I'm melting down. It's so freaking hot. Oh my god. I'm really melting down. I have to stop somewhere to drink something. Otherwise I will lose my consciousness. See guys, I want to share something with you, because all the time I'm on the road I meet some idiots like this guy in front of it. I'm driving my way, I'm respecting the speed limit, and look at him, and On the traffic light he came to my right side like, what are you doing, why are you driving so slow? The guy is just an idiot. Look at him. Look. Some drivers don't deserve to have a driving license at all. They don't belong on the street, really. He was looking at me like, you know, and I was like, I will not react. It's important to stay cool, just ignore them. Otherwise you will cause just a problem to yourself and unnecessary. An idiot is an idiot, no matter what you do. So my battery on the GoPro is almost on the end. I have like 75 kilometers to my home, and I will end my video here. Guys, I hope you liked today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, scenery like I did, and of course I would appreciate if you press the like button for this video and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, that was it, and for the next time, until the next time, I wish you all the best. Stay healthy, stay cool, and wait for another video very soon. Bye bye guys.